Are you eating? You are silly. What are you eating? Sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes. You still got bananas and Wheaties too. You just playing now. You're wearing more of the sweet potatoes than you ate them. Eat some bananas. Bye-bye. Eat some of your nanas. See, but the sweet potatoes are so good. You're trying to stick it in my belly button. I know Mama's tongue is sticking way out, but you're not supposed to stick the spoon in her belly button. Why you want to stick it in my belly button? Why you want to stick it in my belly button? Why? Why? You are so silly. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's the wrong end, Bub. There you go. You got a pink spoon and pink beads. What do you keep trying to look at, huh? Look at your face. You got duck lips. You're silly. You're a silly man. Say bye. 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 You wanna wave? No? Okay.